recently graduated from Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering, the stream of Electrical and Electronics Engineering. So I'm a non-IT background student, and I joined here as an incubation student in the month of January 23rd. Here I have taken Java full stack course. In that, Core Java was taken by Rahul sir and Akshay sir, and Advanced Java taken by Pooja ma'am, and SQL taken by Chandalekha ma'am, and Web Technologies taken by Salman sir. Here in Jspiders, they will conduct presentation classes. In these presentation classes, you can improve your communication skills, and you can improve your confidence, and you can know where you are lagging in the subjects. And grooming classes, before going to interview, they will conduct grooming classes. So that's a quick revision, and in grooming classes you can learn the advanced topics also. So the grooming classes will help you to crack the interview. So attend the grooming classes. Jspiders is a good platform to learn from the scratch. So I joined here with zero knowledge, and I know Java and SQL and Web Technologies. So this is a very good platform for any. Don't think like you are from non-IT or IT and I am from BSc. So anyone can learn these subjects, and they are teaching from the scratch, so that you can learn all the things. And coming to faculties, I thank to all the faculties and HRs, and a special thanks to Pooja ma'am and Pawan sir. And so I suggest you to join Jspiders, so that you can learn and you will also get best.